Joe at Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, I bought a magnet the other day and set it up for some magnet fishing. So we're going to be playing with that today. I kind of threw it out a few times and found some big nails. And we're going to be dealing with a lot of wind today, so it may not be the best. Nails, caps, some other things. And this is a boat launch, and there are sometimes I see kids out here swimming, so I thought it really wouldn't hurt to even start cleaning it up. I'm going to take everything I find out. I dropped the magnet just a second ago and picked it up. Something was bubbling real hard when I pulled it across the surface, so I stopped. I lifted it up and laid it on the counter. I seen something big on there, so let's go check it out. It looked like some type of wrench. So let's go over here and see what it is and see what kind of treasures we can get. This is a little treasure hunting series with the magnet. It's pretty cool. So far it's been fun. Here we go. Yeah, it's an adjustable wrench. It's been in the water for a bit. Oh, it's on there good. Go back in the water. Yeah, some type of adjustable wrench. Looks like it's not so bad that I can't fix, so that'll be a new little tool to keep around. Let's put it in our baggie. I might have to get a better baggie for this. I've already been fishing a little bit and nothing's biting. Alright. This was right out here a little ways. I just stepped on the line. So we're going to slowly drag it through that same area. Maybe somebody lost the toolbox down. Look at the bubbles coming up when I'm moving. That's how much gas, how much organic materials on the bottom over here. There we go. Got something on there. I don't know how bad this magnet is going to mess up the... This is a 250-pound draw magnet, so let's get it back out there. Put these little scrap metals in the baggie. Alrighty. Doesn't feel any heavier than this thing. Ouch. Found a worn out spacer, a screw bit, a bunch of scrappy metal. I'll get most of it off. Throw it back in the water. I just picked all this stuff at Harbor Freight. I figured that would be the best place to try to get something like, oh great, I made a big old knot. This rope loves to knot. I'm going to have to get a bigger, thicker rope. I just start right here in the corner. Drag it this way. Something magnetic and big down here. Yeah. Oh, pulling me. Oh, we got it. Oh, it fell. Let me see if I gotta clean the magnet off. Get some of this off of here. Maybe it'll get a better connection. There's something big down there. It's a good way to get wet. Maybe we can walk it closer this way. Dude, it's got some weight to it, whatever it is. Got mud all over me. I guess that's just the appeal to doing this, huh? Get dirty. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. A good twice as heavy. Ugh. So anchor. Oh, it's a window anchor. That's cool. I'm gonna leave that right here. Toss it out a little ways. Let's work a few feet off the bank, off the dock. Some empty shotgun shell holes. Well, it's just understandable. There's a range, I'm not a range, but a duck hunting area over here. See, there's a lot of beer and a little stainless bolt. More nails. So many nails in this water. Good. Need one? Okay. Another nail. Let's see if we can do this without. Yeah, there we go. Somebody coming in. There I go. Do a little emptying of the bag here. Something to go back in the bag to keep it from flying all over the place. There we go. So we found a window anchor. Of course, it's full of seashells and mud. Giant nail, shotgun shells, adjustable wrench, shotgun shells, fishing weight. I think I just picked that one up off the dock. Thrust washer and a handful of bottle caps and lots of nails. I might have to get one of them smaller, stronger magnets. This thing is so heavy. We got green stuff. Old bolt. Go that way. Wow. Please don't slip. Oh, got a big something on there. An unfired shotgun shell. Pieces of nails. What here? Something long, it looks like. I got a metal bar and a tree. Jack handle. Blech, nasty. Go back out there. We'll put the jack handle in the truck. I just felt something on there. Big piece of old metal. Type of metallic rock. Put it in the back. Somebody lost something, busted something off. Piece of barbed wire fence in there. Yeah, I think if I had a smaller, one of them smaller ones that are stronger with the chain, with the little round ones I see people using, I could probably throw it much further. But with this heavy sucker, you only do so much before the rope burns your finger. So I think we're gonna call this one for the day. It was fun to goof off. Let's go see what we picked up in the old magnetic in the back of this truck. Well, this has been in there a while. It looks like it's been pushed around because this is not salt water, and there's barnacles on it. Sharp barnacles. Yuck. So we got an old window weight, 3 shotgun shells. Let's see what we got. Hold on, we didn't dump the bag out yet. We got us a jack handle, which hadn't really been in the water very long. A loaded shotgun shell, scrap metal, ball cap, beer caps, fishing weight. We'll throw that to the side. We're gonna actually hang on to that. This is a thrust washer. I can tell by how it's wore out. Picked up quite a bit of barbed wire. There's some old fencing nails, some old, that's a framing nail. That probably used to be a nail. It's a pretty decent screw. Shotgun shells, we got a few nails and screws and a can lid, jack, and a tool, which I'm going to try to restore. And I believe I'll be able to do that. So we're going to put that back here, and we're going to keep this. And I'm going to keep the nail. Big nail. The rest of this, I'm going to keep the jackhammer. You never know. And then we're going to take all this to the garbage can. Fun activity. Get some of the nasty stuff out of the water. Even though I'm nasty now. Wow! That's cool. Alright, put that there. There's a little Bunker Hill Security Army can. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. And that's where my magnet goes. And what's cool is it will magnetize to the truck. So, and of course, every nail on that dock is what's going to be holding my. I want to just feed it in like this. Back in here. Hold these up. Put the other end. I think it feeds over this way. Or you just use this one. I'll give you still easier to Stuck. Look down. And alright. Alright. We did pretty good with our little magnet fishing adventure today. I do have mud all over this camera, but hey, it's all part of the game. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I did back up to the garbage can at the boat launch and get rid of the garbage like I always do. I always throw away what I pick up around where I'm fishing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.